All right, guys, welcome back. Today we are going to work on lesson 4, and this is a hands-on lesson. I know we can't really get hands-on, so we're going to try our best to get through the lesson and what it's actually teaching us. It's kind of just like a pre-lesson for tomorrow's adding decimal lesson. So just try to follow along as best as you can. If you don't want to draw all the models, you do not have to. We'll just see how it goes. All right, so page 323 here, adding decimals using base 10 blocks. Build it. Ruben downloaded 2 ringtones on his cell phone, which sounds really silly because I don't think we do that anymore, right? Does anybody still download a ringtone? I don't know, maybe you do. One cost him $1.30 and the other one was discounted to 50 cents. How much did it cost for both ringtones? Okay, so this is our first lesson that we're getting away from estimating, and we're actually going to practice adding our decimals. And honestly, guys, I think you're going to find that this is super easy, and if you know your basic addition and subtraction, then you're going to do fine with these lessons. All right, so it says find $1.30 plus 50 cents using base 10 blocks, and it kind of drew the base 10 blocks here for us. So its model means show. So show 1 3/10 and 5/10 because that's what $1.30 and 50 cents looks like. 1 whole and 3/10 looks like that. And then there's 0 wholes here and just 5/10. So when we look at it like this, what is our total? 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tenths. So how many tenths are there? 8. So we have $1.80 or 1 8/10, right? So Ruben spent $1.80 for both ringtones. If we used estimation here and we said 1 3/10 is close to 1 and 5/10 is 5 or above, so it's close to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and $1.80 is about 2. All right, let's look at the next one. Find 1 42/100 plus 87/100. Use base 10 blocks. So the model looks like this. 1 8/10. 1 4/10 and 2/100 for 1 42/100. 1, 4, 2. And then 87/100 looks like 8 and 7. Combine the base 10 blocks. Since there are 12 tenths, you need to regroup so I can get a whole out of these. You can regroup 12 tenths as 1 whole and 2 tenths. Draw the result. So here's what I can do. I can take away, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can take these away and I can just draw a new whole here, right? So then what am I left with? 2 tenths. So then I have how many ones? 1, 2. How many tenths? Only 2 because I regrouped. And how many hundredths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 42/100 plus 87/100 equals 2 29/100. Let's use estimation to check. 1, I would round this to 1, and I would round this to 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 29/100 is pretty close to 2. How is adding decimals similar to adding whole numbers? Let's talk about it. How do you think adding decimals is similar to adding whole numbers? Well, if you're thinking that we add each place value as normal, And then what did we do here? This is called regrouping. Do you do that in normal addition? You do. So you add each place value and you regroup when necessary. To find the sum. And that's how it's similar. All right, you are going to work on pages 325 and 326. Good luck. Let me know if you need any